Nicovald Agroliar. Hey guys, this is Nicovald Kiela El Lagur. Today we will buy some burgers.
Mission: Greenfields Integrated School of Laguna aims to provide rich and inspiring academic environment that will hone the four facets of learning, which are core values, established as guiding principles in producing leaders who are prepared in a competitive, productive, and innovative society. Vision: Greenfields Integrated School of Laguna promotes academic excellence through a holistic approach that provides each individual with excellent communication skills, upright moral values, proper discipline, and exceptional leadership competencies to enable students their full potential and contribute in nation building.
Thank you po everyone. So please be seated na po. Balik na po tayo lahat makaupo. Ay, joke. Tayo na kayo.
Okay lang yung sakto-sakto. Dalawa kayo.
May nakaupo pa din dyan.
Wala yan, nagbablog.
Kinuha nung isang upuan.
Sa'yo po, friend.
Hindi to. Eh sila mo po eh. Royce!
Okay, so ayan. Ito, legit na to. Pwede na tayo lahat umupo. Ayan. So, tinetesting ko lang kung nakikinig talaga kayong lahat. Okay, so ngayon, thank you po for everyone na nag-lead sa atin in prayer and for our mission and vision and sa JNSing po natin. And thank you for everyone po na pumunta ngayong umaga. So, Pwede ko po ba munang marinig ang malakas na sigawan from STEM? Magpapatalo ba ang mga taga-ABM?
Best teacher ako, hindi magpapatalo to. Mga yung dyan, magpapatalo ba tayo?
Let's go! Let's go!
Yes, so join. Asaan ang mga tagagas? Okay, so maraming salamat at
Sigaw kaya pag ano
very loud and clear din talaga ang ating mga Greenians.
Excited para sa rotation month natin ngayong araw.
Perfect. So without further ado, ayan. So ngayon, as we open our event, gusto po muna natin makarinig ng inspiring messages from our beloved school principal. Now let's all give a round of applause to Sir Edmond Semanya.
Okay. So good morning, Linyans. Morning. You know what? It's been more than 5 years since the school all over the Philippines celebrated Nutrition Month. Nawala yung Nutrition Month sa celebration ng school due to the academic shift schedule. Yung naging August na yung pasok due to pandemic, right? So that's why we are very excited that this year, 2025, is the return of the celebration of Nutrition Month. Why do we need to celebrate this month? No? This is not only in GFIS, but this is a nationwide celebration. And we are doing this not only inside the school, but the government has different programs for Nutrition Month. I hope na yung pag-celebrate natin ng Nutrition Month ay hindi lang dahil meron tayong iba't ibang activities. Sana ma-appreciate nyo that lalo na sa age nyo, no, sa ginagawa nyo, na hindi masyadong priority yung health. Tandaan nyo na part ng buhay natin ay yung maging healthy. When you are healthy, you can do anything you want. Kasi baka iniisip nyo na yung pagiging healthy naman, nandiyan lang, total bata pa naman ako. Remember, students, walang pinipiling edad yung pagkakasakit. So you need to prioritize because health is always the wealth of our life. Okay, so enjoy the day, celebrating Nutrition Month, and I hope that you integrate all the values, especially on the health aspect, sa buhay natin after this program. Thank you very much and good morning. Senior high, mamaya, pagkatapos yung grade school doon, meron doon sponsor yung Del Monte na Mr. Milk. Kapag meron pa, you can fall in line there kasi para yun sa mga estudyante. At teachers.
Thank you for that very inspiring message by our beloved principal. Grabe. Ako kasi best, grabe best. Kasi ako mismo, mapili ako sa gulay.
Over naman sa mapili.
Ay girl, ayoko talaga ng ampalaya. Papait siya! Sorry po, hindi pa ako basher. Sadyang may mga...
Bitter ka kasi. Uy, hindi ah. Okay, so, gising pa ba ang lahat?
Saan pa natin?
Hep, hep!
Alright.
Isa pa, mas malakalan pa yung lalakas yan. Isa pa,
Hep, hep!
Alright.
Gising sila.
So, now, to guide us to the exciting contest at activities na nakahanda para sa ating lahat ngayong araw, let us hear the general guidelines and mechanics from our awesome teachers.
Yes, ito na. Ito na ang inaantay ng lahat kasi sasabihin na natin ang ating rules and regulations for each games and for each contest.
Syempre, sa ating mga participants, please listen carefully para tayo ay walang ma-violate at possible to disqualifications. No? So, I request everyone to please listen carefully sa mga teachers na mag-explain.
Yes.
So, first,
So for first sa ating Nutri Master Cooking Battle, let's all hear and palakpakan naman natin ang teacher natin, Miss Mary Rose Menez.
Biglaan pala to. Grabe ito. And for the guidelines of mechanics, Nutri-Master, a Nutri-Cooking Battle, the objectives of... Ano ba? The objectives of this contest is to create and present a nutritious, delicious dish that meets specific health and dietary guidelines. Participants will be judged on nutritional value, taste, creativity, and presentation. Ayan. The competition. The challenge is to prepare an innovative, healthy eating plate dish which will highlight the same vegetable and one source of protein, meat, as the main ingredients. Participants, the contest is open to all SHS GFIS students. Each participating team strands should be composed of 3 members per group. They are required to be at the kitchen laboratory 1 hour before the contest proper. 5 points will be deducted from the total score of the groups who will arrive late. The requirements: participants will provide ingredients in the basket. Food preservatives like Magic Sarap, Binisamix, MSG, and etc. is prohibited. Basic cooking utensils will be provided, but quantity is limited. Participants are allowed to bring their own tools or equipment, but must inform the facilitator in advance to approval and safety checking, and we will only provide butane burner per team. You need to buy the butane tank for your team. Each team will be provided with water for cooking and washing ingredients. Yes, thank you.
Thank you po, Miss
para
Mary.
Miss Mary.
Naiintindihan po ba ng bawat isa? Kasi medyo ako over naman sa English.
Oh my God.
Okay, so next po for our Colorant Healthy poster and slogan making, we have Miss Pia po to explain the mechanics.
Guidelines and mechanics, color it healthy, poster and slogan making contest. Objectives, to visually promote awareness on the importance of proper nutrition, especially in the idea of making healthy diets affordable for all. To raise awareness among students about the importance of proper nutrition and healthy eating habits. Participants, the contest is open to all SHS GFIS students. Each participating team strands should be composed of 2 members, 1 for poster making and 1 for slogan making contest. Mechanics.
Ayan. Hindi kaya maglagay ng sound.
music.
Pre, please lang, pre.
Pre, magugulo tayo. Pre,
Baking truck, pre.
Walang music. Pre, magugulo tayo ng tahan.
Sigaw, di mo lang sa tono.
Pero may drum. Nasa tono tayo ah. May drum ba? Nagda-drum ka bari yan? May drum ba? May drum ka na lang yan.
Tom sa'yo yan. Dito. May mangkora.
Servant, natawa na kasi sa bana.
Nalulusog ako nito.
Grabe. Kahit saan talaga sa taas.
Grade 5, Grade 11, Ilian Silvius, Manera Kenneth, Fernand Emil, Jokimaya Nico, Miranda Johnny, Alimoro Ramaiso, Alini Rakobi, Elise Amporo.
Bautista Zachary Dilat, Iligan Prince Joseph, Movie Nardo, and Nikizo Matthew.